In this tutorial, I'm going to show you what to do with your photo after you get it imported into your laptop. So I've got this photo here of my niece and my sister-in-law, and what I want to do is get this ready for my Photoshop and adding a grid. So what I'm going to do first is make any edits I need to the photo. In this case, I do just want my niece, so sorry sister-in-law, you're out. Now I can go ahead and just crop that any way I'd like, but it would be great if your photos were actually like a 5 by 7 kind of size. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to aspect, you want 5 by 7, and then what it'll do is it'll automatically crop it so that your ratios stay 5 by 7. So I think that looks pretty good. I might actually shrink this down just a little bit. I want my niece to be the main focus of my picture. Okay, so that's good. The other thing I'm going to do is enhance anything that needs to be enhanced. So you see that kind of brought my colors up a little bit. And then the last thing I'm going to do is go to my adjust button, and then I'm just going to change it to black and white. I can, if I'd like, go through and play with the intensity. I can go ahead and play with the contrast and do all sorts of things. So if I go to my light and I want to kind of change things up, I can do that. You want to make sure you're kind of in a good spot. You don't want it to be too dark. You don't want it to be too washed out either. Kind of a general rule is your whites should be nice and bright, and the black areas of your photo should be nice and black. So this looks pretty good. I'm going to hit done. And then you're finished and ready to go ahead and add your grid.